In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX650 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the resetter file, you can just extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All, and click Extract button here. Open the reset folder and make sure before you run the adjustment programs, you need to change the date to February 13, 2007. How to change the date? Just right click on your date and adjust date and time. And turn off the set time automatically and set the date and time manually. Okay, choose 2007 and choose February and choose 13. After that, click change. After the date is changed to February 2007, just run the adjustment program and click accept. In here, you can click particular adjustment mode button here, and for the port selection, you can select auto port or select manual selection. Just click OK and choose washing bed counter and click OK. In here, you can directly click the check button. After that, you can click initialization button. After the resetting is successfully, you can turn off your printer, then you can turn back on your printer again. If you face error here, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. You can close the resetter after that. That's our tutorial how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX 650 printer using resetter adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.